Welding 360 here, back with another how-to welding video. Quick update about the revolving sign project. Well, I haven't really got nothing done during the week because I had to order some parts, a speed controller, which that's it right there, a soldering gun, and 2 battery packs to run the fan and the switch for the motor. So I'm not going to be done welding either, so that's why I'm also making the video, because just to let you guys know, I'm not done welding yet. So I said I was done, or thought I was going to be done, but I'm not. It's going to need so much more welding and fabricating. But still, I'm taking suggestions on the color. I did pick out primer and a clear, so I'm still taking suggestions on color. Which color you want me to paint it? That's the fan and everything I need for it right there. The measurements, because I gotta measure. So hopefully next week or next weekend I'll have a video, a longer video for you guys. I'm sorry about the video being really short. But please write down in the comments what color you guys want, or colors you guys want me to paint the revolving sign. No purple or pink or neon colors. I'm not a big fan of neon, and I don't like pink or purple. So, but other than that, please let me know in the comments. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Welding 360 out.